Today, we are going to take a look and explain how to use your AirPods or AirPods Pro with your PS4. What is happening, everyone? It is Andrew here from AppleInsider, and we had a lot of people love our video on how to pair your AirPods or AirPods Pro with your Nintendo Switch. So we are at it again, teaching you how to pair your AirPods or AirPods Pro with your PS4. Now, AirPods are absolutely amazing. They are by far the most popular true wireless earbuds on the market. Everyone loves them and they are great for mobile. They're great for taking with you, but the problem is when you go to your PS4, they don't work. So we're going to look at how to do that, whether you have the original AirPods, AirPods 2, or even the newer AirPods Pro. It'll even work with other headphones like the Powerbeats and Powerbeats Pro. Now, many of you are probably familiar with the limitations of the PS4. So right now, if we try to just pair them with our PS4, we'd see them inside the Bluetooth devices list. We'd say, wait, do you want to register this device in the AirPods Pro? And of course, Bluetooth audio devices are not supported by the PS4, which is kind of the whole point of this video. So enter AirFly. This is a small little adapter from 12 South. Two different versions work. There's the AirFly Pro on the right and the AirFly Duo there on the left. They're pretty much the same thing. There's a few extra features with the AirFly Pro, but both are the same thing. They're Bluetooth adapters, have headphone jacks on one side, and they're charged up over USB-C on the other end, and each can allow you to connect up to 2 pairs of headphones to whatever headphone jack that happens to be. So you can use really either of these. There's no difference in this implementation. So we're just going to use the AirFly Duo. It's pretty easy to do. So we're just going to go ahead and turn it on. And you can see it already is in pairing mode because it's the first time it's being activated. You can also hold down the button for 4 seconds until that light flashes amber and white again. Then we're going to take our AirPods, make sure the AirPods are in the case, leave the lid open, and press the button along the back. Then the light on the front is going to flash white before turning amber or turning green, depending on the battery level of your charging case. That status light lets you know that your AirPods are now paired with the AirFly. Then we're going to take our AirFly and plug it into the headphone jack on the bottom of our DualShock 4 controller. And that is it. We're done. We have now connected our AirPods to AirFly, our AirFly to the controller, and then our PS4 automatically recognizes that as the audio source and starts routing all of the audio through our AirPods. It sounds amazing, especially if you're using the AirPods Pro. It has a lot of great sound isolation, allowing you to get that immersive experience using the headphones that you already own and love. So no matter the game you're playing, you're going to get great sound coming through your headphones. It'll be completely silent in the room. You can send all the audio through your headphones, including your gameplay, so you can play games at night and not be bothering anyone else around the house. Holding the PS button, you can see you can control the volume level right there, so adjust that up or down to your preference. Output to headphones. Now you do all audio. You can do chat audio, but you cannot use the microphone on the AirPods Pro or the AirPods. So you can only do the audio. There is no chat functionality with these. There's no way to transmit that audio for chat at the same time as the audio for the PS4. So that is one limitation with the AirFly, but we'll have to see how things progress in the future. So what do you guys think? Are you going to be connecting your AirPods or AirPods Pro to your PS4? Or have you tried with your Nintendo Switch with our other video and tutorial on that? Go ahead and let me know down below in the comments or reach out to me on Twitter at Andrew_OSU. But if you want to pick up an AirFly or AirFly Duo or AirFly Pro for yourself, go down below in the description. We have an exclusive discount code just for you guys because we love you guys so much. So use that link, use that discount code, and save yourself some cash. Hey everyone, did you guys like that video? Be sure to click on that like button so we can create content that we know that you guys want to see. And follow AppleInsider on all social media channels. If you want the best prices on any Apple gear, check out the AppleInsider price guide that is updated daily. And until next time, we'll see you later.